Tankless water heaters can be figured under Section 220.82b of the National Electrical Code. For a dwelling unit, the service load is calculated using the following formula: service load equals 10 kVA plus 3 kVA times the number of additional dwelling units. Let's assume that the hunting lodge is a single-family dwelling unit. Therefore, the service load would be service load equals 10 kVA plus 3 kVA times 0, which equals 10 kVA. The next step involves determining the demand load for the tankless water heaters. According to National Electrical Code Table 220.82b, the demand load for each tankless water heater is demand load equals 0.4 times the rated load. If each tankless water heater has a rated load of 20 kilowatts, then the demand load for each unit would be demand load equals 0.4 times 20 kilowatts, which equals 8 kilowatts. If there are 5 tankless water heaters, the total demand load would be total demand load equals 5 times 8 kilowatts, which equals 40 kilowatts. Finally, we can calculate the service ampacity using the following formula: service ampacity equals total demand load divided by voltage. Assuming that the voltage is 240 volts, the service ampacity would be service ampacity equals 40 kilowatts divided by 240 volts, which equals 166.67 amps. Therefore, the service ampacity for the hunting lodge would need to be at least 167 amps.